Welcome back to Instructor JJ's YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the essential driving skill of lane changes. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your technique, this video will guide you through the steps to ensure your lane changes are smooth and safe. We'll cover when to change lanes, including recognizing traffic signs and road markings. We'll also talk about how to prepare for a lane change, such as checking mirrors and blind spots and using indicators to signal your intentions. You'll learn how to execute the lane change, maintaining a safe speed, and smoothly transitioning between lanes. We'll highlight common mistakes to avoid, like cutting off other drivers and failing to check blind spots. Plus, we'll share practical tips and best practices for handling lane changes in heavy traffic and the differences between lane changing on highways versus city streets. Make sure you're comfortable and ready to learn. Grab your notepad if you like taking notes, and let's hit the road together with Instructor JJ. To avoid what you just witnessed, you must do your verifications every lane change. Follow the abbreviation SMMOG. It stands for signal, rearview mirror, side mirror. Over the shoulder, or people also call it blind spot, then go when it's safe. Now, most people overlook at checking the rearview mirror, but it is just as important as checking the blind spot. You wouldn't be able to see cars going in and out of lanes using the side mirrors and blind spot alone. Here is an example of a vehicle that you will not see when checking to switch lane and using solely the side mirror. This is another example of a vehicle that you would not have seen without performing a proper SMMOG. Then, this is the result of not checking the blind spot or the rearview mirror. Now that I have shown you the importance of rearview mirror, we will quickly cover how to properly use the rearview mirror. We will divide it in 3 sections. 1 is your left lane. 2 is the center lane, which is the cars right behind you. Then 3 is the right lane. This is how it should look like to perform a left SMMOG. Circle and shaded area represents where the driver is looking. Then this is right SMMOG. By performing a proper SMMOG, you will avoid these type of accidents. I'm hoping those videos convinced you to check your rearview mirror and blind spot. Now, we will talk more about what goes on while lane changing. Lane change is supposed to be gradual, just like this, and not like this. This is the full breakdown of what an ideal lane change should look like. These two are the most important. You have to assess the cars approaching from behind you using the rearview mirror. Make sure they are far and slow. It's still considered an unsafe lane change to switch in front of a fast-moving car even if they are somewhat far. They have to be far and slow or somewhat close and giving you way. You also have to be maintaining speed or gently adapting to the speed of the lane you're joining into. You can only slow down during a lane change if there is an obstruction in front of you. The next video is a point of view of a right lane change. I will play the video back in slow motion. Then this video is a point of view of a left lane change. This is left lane change in slow motion. Whenever you perform a lane change, make sure you get in the lane fully when switching lanes. Do not impede traffic by blocking two lanes. Make sure you are in the middle of the lane you're turning into. Thanks for watching this lane change tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and feel more confident on the road. I wasn't able to fit all the tips and tricks into this one video, so stay tuned for part 2 coming soon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Instructor JJ for more driving tips and tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drive safe and see you in the next video.